Hello, welcome to another FreeCAD short tutorial.
Today at FreeCAD, we're going to talk about point-on-object constraints and what do they do and how to use them. The Sketcher Constraint Point-on-Object tool fixes points on edges or axes. Lines are treated as infinity, and open curves are virtually extended as well. As you can see, I have a square set up with a line on the bottom and a line on top. I'm going to go to my constraint icons up here and click on the point onto object icon, or you can push the O key on your keyboard. I want to take the point on this line and connect it to the bottom of the square right here. So you click on your point and you click on your line, and it extends the line to the bottom of it. Same way with the top line, I want to take that point and connect it to the top of the square. And that is it. Just play around with it and see what you can do, and I promise you, you will learn so much more. And as always, you can always hit Control Z to undo anything. Thank you for watching.